What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be customizing pop sockets. Now that all the pop sockets are unpackaged, let's start taping. Our pop sockets are all taped up, so now let's start customizing.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
Wait, I have an idea. Now that it is fixed, we can keep working. I have finished 2 out of 4 and I think they are looking very good. If you want more awesome art videos, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn post notifications on. You can find more of my artwork on Instagram and TikTok. Now let's do the next 2 pop sockets.
A few moments later.
This one looks very different than the others. It kind of looks like multiple dimensions, but I like it. So we've done 3 and now we only have 1 more to go. So let's get into it. Just finished the last one. Now we have all 4 complete, and I think they look so cute. Now these will be up for sale on June 29th in my Instagram bio. Here is my Instagram. Now let's get detaping. Now that all of them are detaped, I'm about to show you the results.